Alright, day one. Trading stocks as a 17-year-old in high school. This is just my trade journey. I'm going to be doing most likely daily replays, recaps. Yeah, I'm just going to be tracking my trades on YouTube and posting it, might as well. Other traders might be interested in seeing this. Other people in high school might be interested in seeing this as well. Any younger traders might be interested in seeing my daily trades, I guess, and how I trade at school. It's difficult, but I mean, I gotta make it happen. Gotta figure it out. Gotta squeeze it in somehow. So yeah, I'm gonna be going over. I'm gonna be telling you guys my profitability, because I just finished paper trading, like back testing basically. I just finished back testing my strategy, and yeah, I'm basically now ready to trade stocks with my real money again. The funny story is like 2 or almost 3 years ago, I started trading with I started trading the top gainers. I was like, oh, this is great. But then I saw something on TikTok, options trading, and I got hooked into that. And yeah, I'll show you guys what a disaster that was. Gotta risk money to make money. I just didn't know what I was doing there. It's okay though. All right, so I'm gonna pull up Webull. I trade on Webull. I've been trading for about trying to trade for about 2.5 years. I'm gonna show you guys my unprofitability. So yeah, this is back a really long time ago when I started trading penny stocks or top gainers. That's nearly what I do right now, but it's less of penny stocks. I kind of stay away from that, as long as it's not too expensive though. I've been paper trading. I'll show you guys that. Show you guys the little spreadsheet. Oh. So I've been. Yep. So that's my net profit and loss from yesterday and today. And okay. So let me pull up sheets. I've been back testing for a little bit. I have like a 60% win rate. I got 60% and I was like, okay, I'm ready. So, oh, yep, and then those are my trade blocks. So yeah. And with my trade blocks, I have certain questions I have to answer. And yeah, so I'm just reviewing everything. It seems like I do pretty well on software application and biotechnology companies. So yeah, I literally just review everything. And these are the things I review every day in my paper trading. Paper trading is the real markets, just not your real money. The order entries are a little bit different. It's like the same idea, but the time is different. It's definitely different. So today, since I missed some of the trades, I had FOMO. Since I lost trades, I was up a lot and I had FOMO. And okay, so this was yesterday. I was just testing stuff out. I was like buying like literally like a few shares of each company or whatever, just seeing how things work, just setting up my shortcut or short keys or whatever. Yeah, so getting that ready. And then this was today. I had a little bit of FOMO, but I'll show you the actual trades right now, and you can see these recent trades. So my first trade, let's go over this real quick. So yeah, here's my profitability. It's great, man. Okay. So I have this set up. It's a little bit different because I'm trading at school. This is a general look of it, but it's a lot smaller and squished and really kind of uncomfortable to trade on. So I have my top gainers right here. I have my positions, time and sales, order book, chart, quote, charting. Okay. So I need to make sure the history of my trades are on real quick. I do not trade at home, so this is a little bit off. Okay, it does show the records. Alright, so this is not what I traded today. Okay, so if we look on TradeZella and go to Daily Journal, we can see exactly what I traded today because I imported my trades from Webull. trades is freaking nice. Okay, so MYSZLYT, and that's it. This I didn't mean to do. I didn't mean to trade spy. That made no sense. I don't know what happened. And Weeble was like tweaking out a little bit. I don't know what was going on, but mostly it was my fault. All right, so the first trade. Here we go. All right. So I'll show you what I saw. We're just marking daily resistance lines and such, and this was I marked stuff after I traded and stuff. So all right, so first trade right here, bought at 544. What's the level? Let's see. 544. I bought right here. So for the break of this level, I saw the MACD cross. This is on the 1 minute. I like to trade on the 15-second as well to get the best entries, but that doesn't always happen. So this was at 7:52 in the morning. 7:52 in the morning. Okay. Previously, I had this set, and that was actually my target because I was measuring the previous moves of each breakout, nearly like I was measuring these moves from here to there, and the previous one as well. So I measured it and then brought that measurement up here, and then I was like, okay, well I'll target nearly half of that because, I mean, that's the safer route for me. The first trade, I don't need to go crazy. But so let's see. So yeah, okay, I entered here. RSI was good. The MACD was just crossed, actually, nearly right here. Pulled back. I was gonna enter here. I was gonna enter on this candle earlier, but I saw the big move, and I entered on this candle for the break of this to push for another push to the upside. I was anticipating a break for, and this was I used about $100. I entered with basically $100. So yeah, so nearly $100 I entered with. Okay. So bought here, anticipating the break of this level and potentially a push all the way to this, but I didn't want to target that because that's a really big stretch. There's resistance, a lot of daily levels, previous daily levels. So I bought on this, the break of this, after a mini pullback, and then, okay, well the volume's not really showing much for this. The volume was good. Order book showed great volume, time, and sales as well. So yeah, entered here, and then I was like, oh shoot, why can't I enter? Or why can't I exit? Why can't I exit? I was trying to sell at the bid using my little shortcut key, and that just wouldn't work. So eventually I figured out how to exit, and of course it happened to be right here, lower. Like, just so stupid. I mean, I made the tiniest profit. That was literally like 4 cents. Not worth it at all. I was up quite a good amount. Let's measure this from so yeah, I was up 24%. Ooh. That doesn't always happen every day. I mean, I catch trades that are like 5%. Enter, exit within 1 minute. Sometimes not even a minute. But, so yeah, I was up 24%. I lost because I couldn't get an exit. Because just apparently I wasn't doing something right. Okay, so that was my first trade. I'm sorry for taking so long. I'll definitely edit this. So yeah, first trade, boom, could have won 24%. This trade, I don't remember if this was just a tester or not. Yeah, I think this was a tester because there's only one. Yeah, so that was just a tester. Here, this was stupid. I had a little bit of FOMO, bought at 689, anticipating the break up here. So many topping tails. It's just a stupid trade because of FOMO. I was like, Could I catch the next move? Well, I missed this one and I almost lost a lot of money. Well, I could have made a good amount, but I mean, like, I can probably catch the next move if they're gonna push it up this high. There's a freaking big resistance zone right here. $7 rejected right off 7, and then I had to sell right down here at 610. So let's see. Yeah, 689, 610. I lost like 80 cents almost. So this was also in anticipation. This trade could have worked out great, but it just didn't. There was lots of resistance, so that's just what happens. I was kind of being stupid. I should have waited for maybe the break of this, pull back, and then enter. Something like that. Because, or just see a lot more momentum to the upside before entering, or something like that. Because this was just kind of stupid buying right before 7. That's a big resistance level. And it's just, yeah, it's just stupid. And then I go to right here to enter for this break, anticipating move to this level right here, stop loss clearly at 577. I saw a little bit more volume. See the MACD almost closed over, almost crossed over, but volume came back. RSI was good. I was ready to enter for a break of this, nearly anticipating something like this, but I was way too early, and this happened later in the day, and I didn't catch this because school, and that's what happens. It's okay, it's all good. I just had a lot of FOMO today, unfortunately, so that was terrible. FOMO destroys. I hate FOMO. Like, never trade with FOMO. FOMO is horrible. It will destroy you. So yeah, that's it for this stock. So I had 3 trades. One of them would have been good. 2 of them are FOMO trades. Somewhat FOMO trades, but yeah, it just didn't work out. So that's okay. I lost money that day then on that stock. So let's see the next one. Jeez. Okay, LYT. I had 1 trade on LYT. I mean, you can just go on here. LYT. Forgot what this was. Was there news on this? I don't think so. Not that I know of. Yeah, I didn't see any news. I should have probably checked for. I probably should have checked on Yahoo Finance, but I didn't. All right, so let's see what I did. I bought at 345. I think. What the heck did I do here? Most of my trades are usually pre-market because that's the easiest time for me to trade at school, and stocks move pretty well in pre-market. No halt levels and stuff, so that's super nice. Okay, so it doesn't show us, so I'm going to have to go in 1 minute. Okay, whatever. Okay. So I sold at 309 on this candle. What even happened here? I think. Okay, so this is what it was. It had to have been this. A little pullback here, break to the upside, short squeeze, entered too late, looking for a nice move to nearly 4. Didn't move to 4. Rejected off 350-ish, a little bit higher than that. Came back down. I had to sell. Didn't hit 4 still, and came back down for the rest of the day. This was just a quick trade, didn't really do much analysis, didn't even use a Fibonacci tool or anything. I usually use a Fibonacci tool for a lot of pullback levels and such, like that. Yeah, so you can see these levels are great, and then you can find the rejection of it, nice breakout and catch that trade, even though it's a little bit choppy. It's there, but all these topping tails on these stocks without news is just so annoying. But yeah, it's a little difficult, but it's okay. So yeah, that was it. That was it for the day. So yeah. So don't have FOMO. FOMO destroyed me today. Like I kid you not with that LYT trade. I was like, oh wow, LYT's moving really fast. It was in here somewhere. I found it. LYT's moving fast. Click on it. Boom. Oh, it's breaking to the upside. I better buy quick. Oh, I gotta get that cash back. No, it's so stupid. Don't do that. So, since I trade at school, I have to be on the school Wi-Fi to trade. So I pay for NordVPN. I have to use a VPN at school to be able to do anything because everything's blocked there. Like you can trade on Weeble as long as you have your own computer at school, but you can't do any website version of anything. So, and they can just, I don't know, there's just so much stuff they can spy on you with. So I recommend if you're trading at school, just get a VPN. It's not too much money. It's worth it. It's very worth it. NordVPN's great, as well as TradeZilla, and I have a few other things, but it's just little things. What else? What do I do? Oh yeah, I usually take screenshots of every trade. It's a little bit difficult to do so while on that little computer and then transferring it to this computer every day to review. I find it easier to just go back and review. But since I'm going to be trading on this computer for the next nearly 2 weeks, I'll be trading on this computer. Maybe I'll have a live video one day. I don't know. I don't know about live video, but maybe I'll record me trading. And also, it'll be a lot easier to review my trades because I'll be right at my desk already. I'll have a lot more time to trade. I'll be a little bit more focused because, trading at school is like on and off the platform. Like one distraction here, another distraction there. You get a little bit of time between those two distractions, then you can maybe place a trade or two. And that's basically it. I get like an hour, maybe an hour to trade. Maybe to be on Weeble, I get like maybe an hour. So it's a little bit difficult, but it's fun. Trading's fun. It's definitely it's difficult for sure. It's really difficult. I've been trying for 2.5 years and I'm not profitable with my money yet. But paper trading, I proved myself profitable. Options trading, I didn't. But yeah. So I'm just gonna be reviewing my trades on here, and whatever happens, Giving me an order confirmation, but whatever. I've been yapping for way too long. You guys understand? This is my trading replays. This is day one. I'll be trying to post every day that I trade. I'll be trying to post my daily replays, and I'll post other videos potentially more about my strategy and such. So that's about it. I've been wasting your guys' time showing my unprofitability and just yapping. So that's really it. Yeah. Subscribe to follow along if you want to, or don't subscribe, just follow along. Freaking look my channel up, I don't care. This is to show the reality of my trading. This is my trading reality. So yeah, daily videos during the weekdays, and that's it.